going on, everybody? We're gonna go ahead and get a gas can on here, try to gravity feed it in there and try to get it running for a little longer, and then get more of a idea of what we got going on. So let's get busy. Wow, that's pretty rough, but she looks like she wanted to stay running. I guess I better check that transmission fluid. We don't want to burn that up. Seems pretty dry. Nothing. All right, let's get something in there and let that circulate, and then we'll try again. All right, transmission's got some fluid in there. Let's start it back up, see what happens. Turn that idle up just a hair. Get a water pump or a generator. locked up solid. It ain't turning. So let's loosen that bolt up so we don't. Smoking the belt. She sounded like she was running pretty good. The massive exhaust leak over here. Oh, alright, she's gonna fight me. Let me get some stuff on there. We'll get back after it. Alright, we got the belt out. The water pump seems to be froze up solid, so try it again. Transmission's grabbing hard. Good news. Looks like everything went pretty good. It seemed to run pretty good. I don't know, the carburetor is taking the fuel, so I had to, I'm thinking that this motor wasn't locked up. I took the water pump off and got one of those on order. It was so locked up, and I was trying to turn it from the fan blades that, it appeared to be locked up. So I don't think it was locked up, which is a good deal, and it seemed to run pretty decent. We'll get this exhaust leak fixed down here. Looks like that donut is just trashed, or it's leaking right there. So we'll try to get that apart without breaking the bolts off, and we'll see what happens with that. We'll go ahead and test this generator and see if that's any good. So the radiator looks pretty clean. We'll get the water pump on there, and then we'll see if it's going to pull water or if it's going to leak or whatever. I may pull off the water neck here and make sure that's cleaned out. Here's the water pump. It's pretty bad. I mean, it's pretty bad. So I had trouble getting this water pump. I had to order it from Eckler's. I think a couple other places had it online, but luckily I cross-referenced the number, and then I'm sure I'm going to have to take this off and then put it on the new one. But yeah, I'm pretty happy so far, and we'll also try to you know, with the running, nothing came out, so I wasn't surprised it was, but we'll go ahead and disconnect it over there and hook the fuel right up to the fuel pump and see if that's drawn. And most likely I'm going to get a, if not, I'm just going to get a electric fuel pump and try to pull something out of the tank and see if anything's in there. The tank didn't look too rusty, but it's hard to say what it looks like inside. And we'll just keep plugging it away and step by step. Anyways, hey everybody, this is like about a week later. So this water pump situation, I went to AutoZone and all, you know, the box stores, and they're like, didn't have a clue. And I got onto the Eckler's, you know, because they showed it online, and I ordered it, and then it's been 2 weeks and they still haven't shipped it. So, you know, I called them and they're like, well, it's on back order, and you know, we won't be able to ship it till, you won't get it till like December something. So, you know, I just canceled that order because I saw a couple other places online. Hopefully I could get it faster, but I mean, it's not a huge concern. Most likely we're going to pull this I also found out it's a 235, which makes it kind of an oddball, I guess. So, you know, we're probably going to pull this motor out and put something else in it. You know, there's tons of work that needs to be done. You know, we got some body damage, you know, and we want to go ahead and try to do the two-door conversion. I got two doors, and but at first I just try to get it, you know, running, and maybe drive it up the street once before I park it for a couple months, because it's going to be totally torn apart. I've been working on my carport area right here, and then I have a bay in there, and it's just packed with stuff, you know, that we've been working on for a few years now, and I haven't been working on the cars. So, but now I'm trying to get it back into it, and I've been working on clearing all this out so I can get a couple cars in here, and start making some videos and getting some of these old cars running. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just order that water pump, and then if it takes a couple 3 weeks, there's plenty of other things I need to do. I need to get the car cleaned out and get the fuel system working. I can still do that. I can run it for a little bit to, you know, and I got the exhaust leak. And so we just wanted to do a quick update here, and probably get this video out even though it's not totally complete. And you know, I've been collecting cars for a while now, and just parking them and just kind of tinkering with them a little bit, but really haven't had time to do a whole lot on them. And hopefully we'll get this carport and the shop all cleaned up and ready to go, and we'll be able to pull a couple cars in here. And we'll be doing some more videos on some of the projects I got sitting around here. We got a 53 Chevy pickup truck over here that I got running, but I got a brand new gas tank I need to put in it. We'll do some videos on that. I have a 66 Chevelle sitting right here, and right behind the camera is a 73 Camaro, the last of the split bumpers. And there's a few others sitting around here. I think there's a C3 Corvette over there, and I got the Model A. I'll show you the video on that. And what else we got? There's a couple more. I actually got one in the shed there. It's an old 28 Nash two-door coupe, and it's a pretty cool car. And I think we can get that running and driving, and make a rat rod out of it also. But we got lots going on, and Fortunately, this is one of the few Saturdays I have off. So I'm going to continue to, I'll get that water pump ordered today, reordered. And then we'll go ahead and start cleaning all this out and making some space for some cars. So I appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for tuning in. And we'll catch you next time. Hit that subscribe button and send me a message and tell me what you think. And catch you later.